Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power. Disconnect the battery negative so you don't short anything or trigger modules. Once done, set your multimeter to continuity or the lowest ohms range and confirm the probes beep when touched together. Now access the harness ends or back probe connector pins. You'll test from one end to the other. Begin with the most accessible connector pair and position probes on the exact corresponding terminals. This ensures you're testing the same conductor, not a neighboring circuit. You now measure continuity across the entire run. Place probes on the two corresponding terminals and read the meter. A solid conductor shows near 0 ohms or a steady beep. While holding probes, wiggle the harness and flex connectors to catch intermittent opens. This finds movement-related faults. If you see unexpected resistance or noise, isolate branches by unplugging connectors, removing relevant fuses or relays, and test each segment individually so you find the exact break or high-resistance splice causing the issue. Complete the job by repairing any failed conductor. Use soldered splices with heat shrink or replace terminals and protect the bundle with loom tape. This restores mechanical strength and conductivity. Once done, reinstall connectors, reconnect the battery negative, and perform a controlled power-up test to verify system function. If continuity still fails, don't panic. Check for corrosion, bent pins, or a blown fusible link. Make sure pins fully seat and, if necessary, remove the harness section for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.